Here's a little update on the car itself. What I did, amongst freezing my butt off, but I did this. Took this fender off and replaced the door. I took the fender off because it's just easier to get to the bolts. And then I also had to replace the latch in this one that came out of the original door. This one suffers from the hinges, as they all do. I do have a pin kit for that. I have not done anything else to the body. I don't even have any of the louvers in. I know I said the body would come last, and it's going to. I just want to get the interior mostly done, but I want to get the brakes working first. As for the front end, I cut that piece that was dangling off right here. I cut that off. That headlight motor is going to be replaced. That one right there. The hood's trash, obviously, because it's missing that L piece. So I have that other hood off of Hondero, and I will leave the tag to that one in the corner here. I do have to get new wipers still, because those are both trashed. I did the dash, as you guys saw in that one video, and I will leave the tag to that above as well. I was able to get the driver's side seat out without cutting it out, like I thought I was going to have to. This is not all the way in, this is just kind of sat in here. The one bolt that's right here that sticks up through the floor, unfortunately, when I was trying to get the seat lifted up and whatnot, it ended up breaking away from this cross member. The floor has surface rust. I don't know how well you can see that. It is not rotted through. Like, you can hear it. Make music, there you go. That's an updated flasher, so it's a little bit faster of a flash. I still have to take the cluster back out again. I've got to figure out what's going on with the odometer. It does not work. The trip does, but the actual odometer does not. I had this back piece here that came out of Hondero. I believe that's just sitting in Hondero right now. But, so that'll be getting replaced. I have the dash in the other housing, but stay tuned.